Are you tired of juggling between multiple cleaning tools and longing for a more efficient way to keep your hard floors spotless? Enter the Tineco Ifloor 2 Complete Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Floor Cleaner and mop your all-in-one solution for cutting your cleaning time in half. This innovative cleaning powerhouse not only saves you time but also ensures your floors are cleaned with fresh water every time. Let's dive into the features that make the Ifloor 2 Complete a game-changer for hard floor maintenance. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Effortless one-step cleaning. Say goodbye to the hassle of vacuuming and mopping separately. The Ifloor 2 Complete is designed for one-step cleaning, allowing you to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously. This cordless floor washer is a game-changer, effectively tackling both wet and dry messes on various sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and marble. Dual tank system for fresh cleaning. Maintaining cleanliness is key, and the Ifloor 2 Complete ensures you always clean with fresh water and solution. The dual tank system separates clean and dirty water, providing a constant supply of fresh water for effective cleaning. Bid farewell to the days of spreading dirty water around your home while cleaning. Fast and streak-free drying. Nobody wants to wait around for their floors to dry. With a remarkable 90% water recovery rate, the Ifloor 2 Complete ensures fast and streak-free drying in a matter of minutes. Enjoy the convenience of stepping on dry, clean floors shortly after cleaning, a true testament to the efficiency of this cordless floor cleaner. Self-propulsion system for effortless maneuverability. Cleaning should be a breeze, and the Ifloor 2 Complete ensures just that. With a self-propulsion system, this lightweight cleaner allows for easy maneuverability. Move freely around your space, reaching every nook and cranny, and tackle any mess with unparalleled ease. Hands-free self-cleaning for maintenance ease. Cleaning your cleaning tool should not be a messy affair. The Ifloor 2 Complete introduces a hands-free self-cleaning function that revolutionizes maintenance. The system automatically flushes the inner tubing and brush roller, ensuring fast, mess-free maintenance. Never touch a dirty roller again, a game-changer for hassle-free upkeep. In conclusion, the Tineco Ifloor 2 Complete Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Floor Cleaner and Mop is not just a cleaning tool. It's a time-saving, efficiency-boosting, and user-friendly solution for your hard floor cleaning needs. With one-step cleaning, a dual tank system, fast drying, self-propulsion, and hands-free self-cleaning, it stands out as a comprehensive and innovative choice for modern homes. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.